Today, in the presence of our two very senior, experienced, respected leaders of All India Trinamool Congress, Professor Saugata Roy, Mr. Yashwant Sinha, I'll also be here. We will be welcoming a new member into the All India Trinamool Congress family. He is not from any political party. That makes it even more interesting, because today he has taken a decision to leave activism and join mainstream politics. Today we welcome, we'll hand over the flag after I finish the introduction, to Saket Gokhale. Saket is a very, very popular and trusted and respected activist. Arguably, he's India's best known #1 RTI activist, and we've been talking to him, he's been talking to us, and it's interesting that he says it's time to leave activism, but the activism has to be channeled through a political party. And we are delighted to welcome him today. He has worked in digital marketing communications. He is a journalist. He is an independent foreign correspondent. Saket has covered the Kosovo conflict. Saket has covered the Nepal civil war, the Mumbai attacks, the 2019 Indian elections, and the post-Lehman defaults in India. For those of you who are on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on what's the new chat one which I forgot? On
podcast.
No. Chat room. What is it? What do we all chat on? Clubhouse. How could I forget? On Clubhouse. So we have Saket. Saket is based in Delhi and Bombay, and I would request now we'll welcome Saket. Saket from Yashwantji, Saugata, and all of us. A very warm welcome to the Trinamool Congress family.
Thank you, sir.
And we are going to come there and they'll have one second. I'll just get it. Yashwantji, Professor.
Sure.
One minute. Direct background data like this. Sir, एक shift करो. Go sir, show us right. Show us अपनी.
आइए पकड़िए. ये हमारे परिवार के नया सदस्य.
नाम क्या?
साकेत गोखले. महाराष्ट्रियन. Gokhale had said what Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. We have another Gokhale amidst us. Hello.
Just a sec. Saket, sir, sit where you are. Let Saket come this way. Yashwant sir.
नहीं सर आप बैठिए.
Come Saket. Come back.
Senior most.
Careful. Better. Take the mics and address.
बोलो.
Thank you very much, Professor Roy. Mr. O'Brien, Yashwant Sinha ji, thank you so much for welcoming me into the party, and I really look forward to the journey we're going to take over the next few years. Primarily, my crusade or my fight has always been for the last 7 years against the Narendra Modi government, with what they've done with our institutions, with what they've done with our democracy, and the prevalent discourse, the level of discourse to which they've taken our nation just completely down the drain. And I'm very happy here to be a part of the Trinamool Congress, to be fighting this government under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee and Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. And I'm pretty confident with what's been happening in the country over the last year that we've seen, and with the spectacular way that people of West Bengal throughout the BJP duo of Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah. I'm very hopeful about 2024, and of course, I intend to play my role and my part in this fight.
But why TMC? Why not any Maharashtrian party?
The Trinamool Congress, don't know how many know, but is the second largest opposition party today in the parliament. I have spent more time in Delhi. My work has mostly been about national issues and less about issues at the state level in Maharashtra. And therefore, Trinamool Congress was the obvious choice.
Why not Congress?
Why not Congress, sir?
Opposition party.
I have been, a supporter of the Congress, and today when we talk about a united opposition, there is ideological matches, there is ideological overlap on a lot of fronts. But I have to say here though that today, if you look at all the national parties, the All India Trinamool Congress takes a very aggressive stand. For those of you who know me, I tend to be very blunt. I don't tend to mince my words. I tend to be very aggressive. I don't get into political correctness. And therefore, the culture of AITC is something I find myself very much at home with. So therefore, the All India Trinamool Congress. Second, also with the way CM of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee has been fighting on the front foot, the way the Trinamool Congress, even in the monsoon session, has been leading the protest, has been fighting on the front foot, the way the party is united on all issues, speaking in one voice. That is exactly what I've been looking for, and therefore there was no other choice but the Trinamool Congress.
সন্দীপ তোমার জবাব হয়েছে
साकेत जी, आप बहुत ट्वीट करते हैं चुनाव आयोग पे भी सवाल उठाते रहते हैं, अपने ट्वीट के जरिए बहुत ऐसे मसलों को आपने उठाया है, तो उम्मीद है कि ममता बनर्जी का उपचुनाव हो जाएगा समय पे।
देखिए, चुनाव आयोग में जब तकलीफ होती है, फिर आप किसी भी एक पॉलिटिकल लीडर की तरफ पॉइंट आउट करेंगे। जब सिस्टम इंस्टीट्यूशन ही अगर रॉटन हो चुका है तो चेंज इंस्टीट्यूशन में आना है। हम काफ़ी सारे लोगों की तरफ उंगली दिखा के कह सकते हैं कि इनके बारे में क्या, इनके बारे में क्या। बीजेपी 7 साल से देश को इसी तरह चला रहा है, वॉट अबाउट कह के। लेकिन जब इंस्टीट्यूशनल प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको इंस्टीट्यूशनल तरीके से एड्रेस करना पड़ेगा। अगर इंस्टीट्यूशनल इंडिपेंडेंस इरोड हो रहा है, जब इंस्टीट्यूशंस ठीक हो जाएंगे तो बाकी सब चीज़ें, देन be it BJP, be it Trinamool Congress, be it any party, when the institutions are fixed, then there will be a chance for a fair play. There will be a chance for an equal footing for everyone.
থ্যাংক ইউ চলো
Conclude.